Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable international usage on your HDFC Bank credit card. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Card section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Credit Cards page, where all the credit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to your preferred credit card. You will be taken to Credit Card Summary page. On this page, locate the section called Limits and Restrictions. Click on the Customize link next to it. You will be navigated to a page where you can customize your daily limits and restrictions. In your case, you may notice that international usage is turned off. To enable it, simply toggle the button to turn it on. Once enabled, you can further customize other settings as per your requirement. After making your changes, click the Confirm button. Choose the verification method, for example SMS. Click Continue. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter it here. Click Continue. That's it. International usage has been enabled. This is how you can enable international usage on your HDFC Bank credit card. Thank you for watching.